Okay, good morning. Welcome to
SuperMath number 70.
SuperMath70. We made SuperMath69 last night because I was worried I was going to be too sick this morning to do it. But I'm okay. So what we did is we started talking about altitudes this morning. And it was really cool to me that the very first question you asked about altitudes was, do they intersect in a single point? Because that's exactly the right question to be asking. And I showed you a picture of a triangle where it's not at all obvious that the altitudes would intersect at a single point, an obtuse triangle. Because to draw the perpendicular, I have to actually extend the sides a little bit, right? So that's the perpendicular from here. The perpendicular from here is easy enough to understand, but to see where they intersect, you got to go backwards.
Yeah.
And then the perpendicular here, I have to extend this side as well, and lo and behold,
They actually do.
it looks like they do intersect, and it's kind of a surprise. Kind of a surprise. And so we talked about how you prove the altitudes intersect, and it's the thing they also show in the book. And it's a really cool proof. It's a little harder than the proof. Remember the proof that the medians chop up a triangle into 6 triangles with equal area? This proof's a little harder, but it's really neat. So what we do is, let's call this A, B, C. Move B away from there just a little bit, because we're going to draw on some sides. So I'm going to draw a line through A, parallel to side BC. I'm going to draw a line through B, parallel to side AC. And I'm going to draw a line through C, parallel to side AB. Okay. And I get a bigger triangle now. But we're going to use the fact that this line and this line are parallel to show all 4 of these smaller triangles are what?
Congruent.
Congruent. So it's not just this line is parallel to this line. We're going to use all those parallel ideas to show. So this line here, parallel to this, tells me what angles are the same.
Well, you have a right angle here.
Okay, it tells me that I have a right angle here. This altitude turns into a right angle up here as well because those are parallel. Yep, that's true.
Well, if you extend
Let's just extend this line now. Let's just look at that.
So
And I can extend this line too.
this line here, I mean this angle,
Here, this angle here
is the same as this angle,
is the same as that angle.
which translates to that angle.
Translates to that angle, which translates to what?
Well, it's also this angle.
This angle. So this angle and this angle are the same. What other angles are the same, Joe?
Well, if we extended this line,
Okay, so I'm going to extend this line now.
we have this angle, which I'll call angle 2.
Okay, angle 2.
And then it's this, it's this angle.
This angle. Now let's see why that's the case. It's this parallel line translated down, intersecting this line. Okay. What does that tell us?
Well, that tells us that that's also angle 2.
That's angle 2. Okay. What else is angle 2?
Well, I think this is angle 2 because we have the angle 1 down here.
Yeah.
And we have angle 2 up here, and we have the same thing.
We have parallel lines here. Okay, so this is angle 2. All right. What else is angle 2?